Rest in peace, Thulani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 17th to the 21st of July 2023 on Monday. The news of the boat explosion spreads like a wildfire, and Bulelwa refuses to accept that Thulani is dead. Zimkita and Msimelelo are on a knife edge with Ntando on a warpath to expose their affair on Tuesday. Bulelwa refuses to believe her sunshine is gone. Ntando is distracted from his mother's shenanigans when he realizes he's not next in line for the Mqenge throne on Wednesday. Zimkita gets into Ntando's head and gets him to embrace his new position as a leader of the family. Bulelwa rejects the idea of a memorial for Thulani on Thursday. Still in denial about Thulani's death, Bulelwa turns to a higher power for an answer. Mpilo becomes frustrated when Ntando won't get involved in funeral planning on Friday. The Mqenge family says their final goodbye to the departed. Bulelwa skips the memorial service and goes to pray for a miracle at the beach. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.